Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and readying the speaker. Plug the USB-C cable, charge for at least 2 hours so battery stabilizes, then press and hold power until you hear the boot tone and see the pulsing LED. Once on, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is open and visible. Leave the device list active. You do this because stable battery and visible Bluetooth reduce pairing errors, so don't skip charging or toggling Bluetooth now. You press the Bluetooth button to force pairing mode, watch the LED blink blue, then select Bose SoundLink Flex on your phone and accept any prompts to pair. Once connected, position the speaker with the grill unobstructed. Set it vertically on a flat surface or hang using the strap, keeping clear line of sight within 1 to 2 meters for best wireless stability. This reduces reflections and dropouts and ensures the low-frequency radiators can move freely for optimal bass. You finish by setting volume on the phone and then on the speaker so neither clips. If you want stereo or multi-speaker sound, enable party or stereo mode in the Bose Connect app and follow prompts. Make sure firmware is current. Open the app and update if offered, because firmware fixes connectivity and sound issues. If you get no audio, reboot your phone and speaker, forget and repair the device, and only then perform the factory reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.